To acquire the Excel formatted estimating spreadsheet and project tracker, send an email to the provided email address. This spreadsheet is designed to assist with various aspects of project management, including tracking material actual costs, employee man-hour costs, and actual hours used. It also facilitates billing, change order management, addenda tracking, and managing requests for information from general contractors and architects. Furthermore, it includes sections for demolition and field buyout, or FBO items. The spreadsheet operates on a per each or per foot basis for labor units and material prices. It does not group items for costing, such as providing a single labor unit or price for a duplex plate box. Instead, everything is itemized. Important note: do not modify any of the formulas within the spreadsheet, as this could disrupt its functionality and accuracy. The spreadsheet is intended to be used as is, with adjustments made only to the pricing and labor units within the designated menu columns and the takeoff sheet, which is located to the right. When using the spreadsheet, remember to manually check and update any information specific to your company name and details. This customization will ensure that the spreadsheet accurately reflects your business operations. The spreadsheet provides comprehensive tracking capabilities. Firstly, it enables material actual cost tracking, allowing you to monitor the expenses associated with materials used on a project. Secondly, it helps in employee man-hour cost tracking, which helps you to understand the labor expenses incurred. Thirdly, it provides capabilities for actual hours used tracking, which assist in monitoring project timelines and efficiency. Fourthly, it facilitates the billing process, ensuring accurate and timely invoicing. Fifthly, it allows for efficient management of change orders, ensuring that all project modifications are properly documented and accounted for. Sixthly, it supports the tracking of addenda, keeping records of all project modifications and updates. Seventhly, it enables the management of requests for information from general contractors and architects. Eighthly, it includes sections dedicated to demolition and FBO items, streamlining the management of these specific project components. Using the spreadsheet effectively involves understanding its layout and functionalities. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the takeoff sheet. The sheet serves as the primary input point for your project data. It contains the menu columns where you can adjust pricing and labor units according to your specific project requirements. Ensure that all labor units and material prices are entered accurately on a per each or per foot basis. Avoid grouping items for quoting, as the spreadsheet is designed to handle individual itemization. When entering data, pay close attention to the formulas within the spreadsheet. Do not alter or modify these formulas, as they are essential for the accurate calculation of project costs and estimates. Any changes to the formulas could lead to errors in the final results. Regularly review the spreadsheet to ensure that all information is up to date. This includes checking material prices, labor rates, and any other relevant data points. Accurate and current information is crucial for generating reliable estimates and tracking project progress effectively. Use this spreadsheet to track your project's financial performance. Monitor material costs, labor expenses, and billing information to gain insights into your project's profitability. Identify any areas where costs can be reduced or efficiency can be improved. By using the project tracker features, you are able to effectively monitor project costs and labor expenses. The tracking features will assist in ensuring you are able to monitor project profitability effectively. The spreadsheet is able to assist you in identifying areas where costs can be reduced and efficiency can be improved by providing real-time analytics. The spreadsheet can assist in effectively managing project costs and labor. The Excel sheet includes a number of sections that each have a separate function. One section is dedicated to the takeoff sheet, which is used to insert project data. The takeoff sheet allows you to adjust pricing and labor units. The takeoff sheet is able to assist you in customizing the data in the spreadsheet. Make sure that you do not alter or modify the formulas in the spreadsheet. When entering data, ensure all information is current, which includes material prices and labor rates. Be sure to review the information in the spreadsheet to ensure all information is up to date, so you are able to generate reliable estimates. You can use the spreadsheet to track a project's financial performance. By monitoring the cost, you are able to identify areas where costs can be reduced. This Excel spreadsheet allows you to track employee man-hours and costs. This is another area where costs can be reduced. You can also monitor billing information to gain insight into the project's profitability. The Excel sheet is designed to handle individual itemization, so avoid grouping items when quoting. It has sections dedicated to demolition and FBO items. The Excel sheet also includes sections for change orders and addenda tracking. Also included is the management of requests for information from general contractors and architects. Ensure that all project modifications are properly documented and accounted for.